Happy Sunday, everyone. My name is Jeff, and I am from theboxmen.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a look at a brand new, another great app to help you cut the cord and increase your entertainment. So let's go ahead and give me a thumbs up as we start this video. If you're on one of our platforms, say YouTube, Rumble, or Odyssey, thank you. And we're going to jump right on in because I want to finish rather quickly. To start out, I am on the On 4K Pro. I know it doesn't look like the On 4K Pro, but it definitely is the On 4K Pro. But I put on the a new launcher. I always mess up the name. Projective. Someone just corrected me. So this is the Projective launcher. And if I go down here to, let's say, the device, you can see that it is the On 4K Pro. Now, I put this launcher on here today and did a video. It's a rather long video. Check it out. But it goes over some really great things. But I went to the Google Play Store and I found the CW app right here. And we're going to preview this brand new, fast, free, ad-supported channel television. This is a free ad-supported television app that gives you all of the information you're looking for as far as, the home. I mean, you got movies, TV shows. I think it has live TV. There's some of the channels right here, so we could take a look at that. I am on the app right now. So it actually has some information at the top there. You can see all of the channels as I go down. This is an interactive EPG, electronic programming guide. So there's the live TV portion right there. As we go on down, you can see some of the things that are there. And it's ad supported. So if you like the CW or you don't like the CW, or maybe you've never watched anything from the CW, it's a pretty good network. And now they're getting into the streaming game by offering you these types of channels that are free and ad supported. So if we go over to the movie section, you're going to see some good titles. Everything seems like it's the same, but when they get the CW, I guess they're trying to give you their flavor, their flair, and all of that. So at the top, you got the recently added. You have the emotional journeys. You got the pulse-pounding thrills, comic relief, harrowing horror, adrenaline rush. So if I click on that, it's going to change to some things. But these are some really good titles. I mean, if you have nothing to do anyway, you might as well watch a movie. After working out, watch a movie, whatever it might be. But these things are all here, and it's getting in 2024 where it's really easy to get the TV. And if you have the right devices, you'll see if I click on this, I don't think it's going to start. It should show you a little bit of it. It gives you a breakdown, 2010, horror, action thriller. You also might like right underneath it. So there's a lot of similarities that come with it. But also, because it's an ad-supported, television channel, you're not going to have a lot of buffering and things that, where you need a username and a password, and it gets all messy. TV should not be messy, and live TV like this is legal, and the big independent corporations are getting in the game, and it's a win-win for end users and customers like you and I. Now I went over to the TV shows and everything. You can see a lot of the TV shows. If you see it first on CW, I can switch those. This is a pretty good show, Wild Cards. I don't know if you guys ever seen it. It's pretty funny. It's pretty good. Police 24/7 is very good as well. My daughter loves All American. So if you go over to dramas, do the same thing. There's a lot of different dramas. That old drama there's a good one. Dollhouse, these are older ones. That's a remake. Street Legal, Van Helsing is a good one as well. I don't know, maybe you guys are too young to see Melrose Place, but here's that. There's comedies, right? Then there's sci-fi. So these things are available for you absolutely free. And it's from the CW. So we can go back home and you can see how the home channel looks. You got the trailers. I can go down, recommended, see it first. Everything is right on the the application itself. And I think it's going to be well worth you guys taking a look. So once again, it's in the Google Play Store. This is the CW. It's brand new on the scene. Check it out. Go install it and let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching and continuing to support the channel. If you guys are interested in some of the other products like the TV boxes or TV media devices, my website is down for another week, almost done. And when it comes up, go ahead and take a look at everything that we're offering. We have something for everyone, and I'm getting a lot of people wanting some devices. Now, before I go, I always want to give you guys a chance, because in the next 11 days, I'm going to announce the winner of the Z11 Pro Max, the free one that we're going to send. To join or enter your name, please follow these instructions. You want to text the word Z11 to 858 area code 212-0841, and you want to send that text. That way you can follow the prompts by entering your name, and then on the 30th we will draw some names and pick the one, and that way we would text you back, call you back, so we can get your shipping information, so we can ship it to you for free for taking advantage of the free giveaway. And then we would begin a new giveaway in July for a Formula Z Mini. All right, so here we go. You want to text 858. You want to text the word Z11 to 858-212-0841 and send that text and follow the prompts. I'll see you in the next video.